Hi guys, on a boiling day. Today is a real scorcher in Poland. I'll show you a little gardening life hack. What to do if you have sown grass, but the day is very hot and the seeds may dry out. Let's check the soil temperature. Yep, way above the scale. Way above. Nothing could be simpler. You need an automatic grass sprinkler, like that, and we set the sprinkling time like 15 seconds every 5 minutes, and let's start it. The soil will be constantly moist, but not wet. Remember, stay hydrated yourself and see you around.